Hello everyone, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do things like diamond paintings. I unbox them, I show them to you, I show progress working on them, I do reviews when they're finished. A lot of diamond painting happens here. Some other things I like to do, I dabble in yarn and crochet. Yarn unboxings. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons at 2. We have a lot of fun there working on projects. I also like to show books from time to time that I've acquired, and I do a book discussion live on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. If any of that is of interest to you, I encourage you to hang out, look around on my channel, see what there might be that interests you, and subscribe and come back and see more things. To everybody who's returning, thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. All right, so what do we have here today? This is gorgeous, okay? I forgot that I have all of my packaging here and everything. So this comes to us from Outdoor Tide. Thank you, Outdoor Tide. I picked out a couple of items. This is stunning, just beautiful. This is what the toolkit looks like. This is gorgeous. A while back, they started coming out with a lot of special drills in a 40 by 40 size. Those are very nice. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of these 40 by 70 size, and it's gorgeous. It is flowers, colorful, beautiful flowers, orangey, peach, pink, yellow, blue, purple, and there's a butterfly up there. It's gorgeous. I love this. It's so pretty. There's a lot of printed background to add to it. This will keep you busy for a while. There are a lot of drills. I have pulled the plastic back on this one. It's still wanting to wrinkle. And I'm still holding with my theory that all of these larger ones come from the same company because of this border. It's very faint. It's very hard to see. It's very light. But there is like, it doesn't hardly show up. There's a print on the canvas here. And all of these have had that same print. So it's on the same canvas for sure. It's gorgeous though. Look how big that flower is. It's huge. That one's huge. This is gorgeous. There's some more. There are some more I have found that I have in carts, different places. And I love these. They're beautiful. Let's look at the drills. There are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different types of drills for this. They're going to be gorgeous, right? Let's look at them. Got to get them out of here first. There's quite a bit of drills here too. I mean, there would have to be for a painting that size, right? Okay, here we go. We have the purples. Are these all the same? 1, 1, 1. Yep, those are all the same purple. 3 bags of that color. Some greens. I bet you those are the same. Yep, 3 bags of the 2, the green. Pink, 3 bags of the pink. The blue, 3 bags of the blue. We have some clear, we have some orange, and we have some gold. It's gorgeous. Look at those. Faceted, round, gold drills. Nice. How about these pretty purple faceted iridescent marquee shape? Love those. Those are beautiful. We also have them in the clear. We have a larger marquee faceted in gold. And we have these pretty, pretty clear aqua colored teardrops. I love this. It is gorgeous. Now this will take you some time to complete. I mean, if you have a painting like this for August and you want to do Smash and the Specials, this will keep you busy for a little while. But it is so pretty. Wow, I love it. It's beautiful. Okay, that's all I got. It's beautiful. All right, let's look and see what came in our box. Let's cross our fingers. Let's cross our fingers because I have been having terrible, terrible luck with things in boxes. The acrylic pieces coming broken. Just little pieces of them, little leaves or a tail broken off. So first of all, look, this has a piece of foam in it. Okay, let's take that out. All right, so there's a piece of foam in here. I did get, one of the other pieces that came broken did have a piece of this foam in the box, and it just wasn't quite enough. I will say, Every time I get something that is not the way it should be, I do contact the company. I let them know. I have been suggesting that they come up with some better protection for some of these items because they are coming broken. So they're like, we're so sorry. We'll send you another one. I don't know when I'm going to get them, but, and they will talk to manufacturers. So this goes in a little stand like this. There's a film on it, both sides. Peel that off, and this will stand in your little stand. So this has got like a gray backing on the back, and there's a reason for that. Why isn't it clear? Why doesn't it have that film on it? Well, there's a reason. It is a mirror. Look at that. You want to see me? There I am. Hi. It's a mirror. The whole thing is like mirrored. And then you have your print on top where the drills go. Isn't that pretty? And it'll go in a little stand like this. Look at it. It's gorgeous, right? I mean, there is a film, the plastic on here still, so it's not wanting to go in here very well, but it'll go in there. There it is. It's beautiful. It's hard for me to show it to you perfectly because it's picking up everything around my house besides the design. But it's got a dragonfly up here. This one is not broken. Yay, not broken. Like when you pull this back, let me see. Pull a piece of it back. This is all glossy mirror, right? Yeah, that is not sticky at all. Look at that. Wow, that is cool. It's really cool. I like it. Okay, let's look at the drills that go on that. I think it's going to be very, very pretty. This might be one I do for Smash and the Specials. There's not a ton to do on that. It's a unique item I've never had before. I think I'm going to put this in the box, the short list. All right, here's our drills. We have clear rhinestones. We have brown. We have pink. We have 2 greens. We have a golden brown. Then we have these gold balls, which I'm assuming are going to be the A's. Oh, these are so pretty. The iridescent green marquee. Those are pretty. Some little pink clear marquee. And these roses. Yes, the roses are going to go in the centers of these flowers. So stinking pretty. Very romantic feeling. Very, I love it. So those are the 2 items that I got. I will link them below if you are interested in either of these items so you can find them. Aren't they just gorgeous though? They're gorgeous. I love both of them. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. Hit that like button, share a video, all those fun things that help a creator out. It is greatly appreciated. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, so until the next video, have a great day. And I hope you like these because I think they're fantastic. I'll talk to you soon, everyone. Bye.